ਬੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਨੇ, ਕਈ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਸੁਣਨ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। I put it from here and take it off from here. I know what I'm doing and I know what I can do.
Yeah.
So melody and auto tune ਵਾਲਾ ਫੰਡਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ, ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਲੋਡੀ ਸਿੰਗਰ ਨੇ, ਅਰਿਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ, ਆਤਿਫ ਅਸਲਮ, ਸੋਨੂ ਨਿਗਮ, they are not there in the market, but melody is, there forever. Correct. And I don't think so my children are going to listen to Sidhu Moosewala or me myself.
Hello, Guru. Sat Shri
Hello,
Akal.
Sat Shri Akal ji. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Good, good, good. How's
So,
your
how's it
quarantine?
going? My quarantine is going great. I'm in the office and I'm talking to new people every day. You tell me, how's your quarantine going? You've been releasing songs and
About to release more, but due to there's a critical situation in Mumbai, so bahar auna jana is like, and dubbing currently mainu any which was Chandigarh aana penda. So we are not doing that thing. So we have to hold until everything is okay and back to normal.
so Guru, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ based ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ? Where are you based at the moment?
Mumbai, Mumbai.
Mumbai. So
Yes.
why do you say ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ dubbing ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਆਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ?
Because the thing is, मैं जिन्ने भी गाने कर रहा, बॉलीवुड पंजाबी गाने कर रहा, जो भी कर रहा, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, लिरिसिस्ट सारे पंजाब दे ही ने.
कौन हैगा?
So
Whom
I
are you
am
closely working with?
now I'm working with Shokir, has done my 3 songs, long distance and more further songs, and फिर G Skills करके है ने चंडीगढ़ दे. He's doing. I'm in words with Preet Hundal Mohaliala.
Okay,
So let's see, we are
okay.
planning more songs. So everyone is based from Chandigarh, Mohali.
So you come here more often?
Yeah,
अच्छा ठीक है।
luckily,
ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ?
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ in Punjab, if you talk about, Chandigarh is one of my favorite.
Now where do you hang out? If there's no lockdown, then where do you like to hang out when you're off?
In India for vacations or
No, here
something.
in Chandigarh.
Here in Chandigarh, I'll love to go to, I am a party freak, so I'll love to go to Social, Chandiland, Pyramid. These are the 3 places I go regularly. Or Studio. Studio is one of my favorite things to make music.
ठीक है जी, ठीक है। Okay, Guru, tell me about this new song. सबसे पहले तो the people who are watching, let's tell them that Guru has released a song called Long Distance, and I've heard the song. It's shot in Dubai. It's nice, peppy song. So why don't you sing it for us, and then we can probably talk about the song and more things.
Sure, I'll do that. Let me just go through, say hello to everyone, people, those who are watching. Thanks for joining. So, okay, so I'll start. It's हो सोनी जिवें हूर परी है, आए नी मजबूर बड़ी है, मैं मिलने नु कह भी नहीं सकदा, ओ चंदरी दूर बड़ी है, पिया सी प्यार मेरा पहली विच नहीं, तू रहिंदी न्यूयॉर्क मैं दिल्ली विच नहीं, फेस टाइम एक वारी कर सोनी है नी, तेरे बिना दिल बड़ा डरदा, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस मेरा पै गया प्यार तेनू वेखणे नु दिल करदा, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस मेरा पै गया प्यार तेनू वेखणे नु दिल करदा.
Nice. So you've shot the entire video in Dubai, right?
Dubai, yes.
तो कितनी देर का schedule सीगा उसे?
This video is done in 1 day, in 18
In
hours.
1 day?
In
Seriously?
18 hours, yes.
Wow. Okay.
Even my
And what?
agge de jede mere further 10 songs ne, even they are shot in Dubai, and every song is done in 1 day.
So why you saving budget or what?
Ulta budget zyada जा रहा है मेरा.
Really?
I have to hire more crew. I have to, location. Any which ways, if you apply for a permission in Dubai for locations, you get the permission for 3 days.
Okay.
But I prefer doing it in 1 day. Yes, budget wise, plus point here because the casting which I've took, the co-actress or something, they are from Bollywood itself. So if I put them for 2 days, so it's a huge amount for me.
Exactly. Yes.
So
Especially
this
the
is why
stages and everything also come into count, na?
staying and all is still fine. That is around 15, 20, 30,000, whatever it is, okay. But these, the Bollywood actress or actor, they charge in lakhs. So that is again a very huge amount, I don't prefer it. If there is a very big project which we can't do it in a day, we take 2 days for it.
Right. And this project of yours had Karishma Sharma, right?
Yes.
So when you met her, had you, were you in touch with her before the song, or did you meet her on location only?
Actually, when we finalized the song and we were in words of having the shoot done. So first I spoke to Shefali Bagga, who was in Big Boss.
Right.
So Shefali Bagga was almost logged, but although Big Boss the shoot chalu siga, and she had a wild card entry again to the house.
Acha, okay.
So last moment we had a cancellation of Shefali. Then we spoke to Sana Khan.
Acha.
But then people started recommending me कि Karishma is a known face now and she's a good face. So then I spoke to her directly and I logged, but I met her 1 day prior to the shoot in Dubai itself.
Okay, so ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਦੇਖੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ?
हाँ जी, मैं प्यार का पंचनामा 2 ਵੇਖੀ ਸੀਗੀ and then there was a item number in Super 30 with Hrithik Roshan. ਉਹ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ.
Okay, so what was the impression like? Screen ਤੇ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ versus the real life actress, you know, ਕੀ difference ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ?
Nothing much, but see, personally, the but of his nature wise, the on screen, था कुछ पता चलना नहीं सीगा. होता I met him and then I got to know. But acting skills, touch with that girl is best till date, whichever I've been and worked with. So she has a amazing, you know, the way she acts on the camera, the way she interacts with you. So that is the best thing. On camera, she's too good. And nature wise, also, she's good. But again, you know, when it comes to a professional thing, you have to be professional.
Right. So, I mean, in the coming days, which other Bollywood people are you getting in your songs? I mean, have you finalized somebody as of now?
I am in words with Sunny Leone for one of the songs. So,
Wow.
so,
Okay.
so that's a Pepe number again, but that's a Hindi song. So let's see.
That's
We
Hindi.
were supposed to do it. जो lockdown नहीं होता तो हो भी जाना सी उन तक. But as we all faced a bad situation all of a sudden, so we'll do it after the lockdown.
So, tell me, Guru, that you know, are you an artist bound by a label?
No,
No, you're an
no.
independent artist.
Yeah,
Right?
yes.
So this song of yours came through T series, right?
T series.
Okay, great. So I mean, I the last I saw it was 4 point something million.
It's 4.3 million today. 4.2 or 4.3. I'm not sure. Yeah.
So I mean, was the song promoted? How did you get AdWords? What did you do about it?
I got AdWords for 2 million. And then the rest was history all of a sudden. I don't know. So for 2 million, yes, but obviously, because, you know, being a debut song, I had to boost it. So for 2 million, I had the AdWord and rest is what it is.
So what was
But
the feedback that you got from people?
the feedback was quite good. Actually, there's no song on long distance relationship till date. This is the first
Acha?
song.
Okay.
कोई भी गाना नहीं है long distance relation पे पहला गाना है and youth wise if I count most of the people have long distance relationship. For आज the date,
yes.
even if your girlfriend is staying 100 meters away, so it's a long distance only. You can't go to see
It's a
her.
lot. Right. But I mean, I heard that your first song was featured in a movie Judwa 2 with Meet Bros.
So
wasn't that
yeah,
the first
so
song?
that was not as a singer. That was as an additional programmer. So I
Okay,
was
that was
working
what-
as an additional programmer that time with Meet Brothers.
Yes.
So there are too many projects I did with Meet Brothers that time. But as a singer, this is a debut.
Okay, so and as a singer, do you want to pursue as a singer more because you're also a DJ, right?
I was a DJ. I quit DJing around 2 years back.
Acha, why so? You don't like the profession
The
anymore?
thing is, you know, yeah. So the thing was, if you do two things together, if I, you know, do DJing also, then I do music production and singing, so I can't focus on any one thing. And मैं वो highlight नहीं बनना सीखा. There are many rumors कि a DJ all of a sudden became a singer. So this is why when I
Right.
started music production, when I joined Meet Brothers, so that was the end to my DJing career that time. And then
Acha.
while recording the dummies and making music, people suggested me कि you have a good voice, why don't you step up as a singer? So फिर उधर मैं mindset करके मैं plan कर लिया सीखा गाना.
Okay, so talking about your DJing profession, you started pretty early, I believe. 16 was the age when you started DJing, right? And that too at a farewell party, I read that you got inspired to be a DJ, right? So,
Correct.
what were you doing? I mean, पढ़ाई कितना है? Did you leave पढ़ाई or did you pursue it? What did you do?
I did AITA, that is a travel and tourism course. But जब DJing चालू की थी, I was in my 10th. So that was not a legal age to, you know, go to a club or play somewhere. So you can't enter a club until and unless you're 21.
Right.
Or at least minimum 18, even if you're not. So
18
I was at a
at
college, yes, I was at a college fest here in Mumbai. So one of my friend was playing who stays in my society itself right now. So मैं जब गया थे मैं देखा I was like यार this job is fun. You just have to play the songs, people enjoy, people cheer you up. So then I started this. नहीं था मेरा plan सीखा after studies I was about to do hotel management.
Acha. So
So
did you
that was
find
what
that? I mean,
happened.
do you repent leaving that, or did you complete it? What happened?
No, there's a hidden talent in me. Hotel management में अपने करे कर रहा हूँ. I cook very well. I try. I
Right.
keep on trying new things.
Okay, okay. And I mean, see, there is one very important thing that I wanted to ask you about DJing was कि एक गाने होंगे ਜਿਹੜੇ क्लब च बहुत चलते हैं, right? I mean,
Correct.
demand ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ हैं. And ਇੱਕ ਗਾਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ YouTube ਤੇ trend ਕਰਦੇ हैं. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਗਾਣਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਫਰਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ?
See, every song can't be played in a club. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ
Right.
ਦਾਂ, if you're in a party mood, you have a vibe to party. और मैं all of sudden club ਵਿੱਚ मैं फिलहाल play करदा.
Hmm.
Or if I play पछताओगे, you'll stop
Right.
there itself. But
Right.
such
Right.
songs, फिलहाल और पछताओगे, those are the songs when you are in a, a sad mood or romantic mood and chill out वाले गाने सुनने ने. So YouTube and the DJing thing is completely different. There you are in a party vibe. And here on
Hmm.
YouTube at your place or in the car, you have a mixed vibe. You can listen to party
Right.
numbers, you can listen to sad numbers. So this is the basic difference in both. So this is
So
why
have
we
you
can't
ever
compare.
felt? I mean, as a musician, have you ever felt कि यार ये वाले गाने की इतनी demand आ रही है, but how come it is not trending?
बहुत वारी होया सी पता कि एक ता ना आज दी डेट ते ना you cannot plan anything. For example, I send you a song. You are like this song is a super duper hit, but you never know कि crowd ਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਂਦਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਂਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ.
Right, right,
My simple mindset is अगर जे पब्लिक दिनचक पूजा ਨੂੰ सुपरस्टार बना सकती है तो सुपरस्टार ਨੂੰ फ्लॉप भी कर सकती है.
right.
So there are few songs which you hate personally, which I hate personally, but they were trending. So
Hmm.
trending can't be counted as thing. If you run behind a number game कि यार 200 मिलियन हो गया 500 मिलियन हो गया and
Hmm.
public don't know your song तो फिर वो मिलियन व्यूज का कोई फायदा नहीं. वो
Right,
ट्रेंडिंग हो के भी कोई फायदा नहीं. There are few songs those were 500 million but you don't know the song. I don't know the song.
right, right. So
So
I mean,
trending and all doesn't count.
you also promoted your song for up to 2 million, right? So what was the
Yes.
purpose of that? Why did you
See,
need to do that?
it was a debut track for me. People didn't knew me as a singer. ठीक है.
Hmm.
And if I tell कि now for example I have 3-4 songs in the market, I am a known personality as a singer, then I don't need an advert. Even still,
Hmm.
if there is Honey Singh, if it's Badshah, anyone, they still go through ads. Ad is compulsory. Organically, you don't get this much of views. You have to place an ad so that people come to know about the song. So for me, being my debut,
Right.
I had to put the ad so that once it reaches to the public with word of mouth, they can make it viral. So that was the basic thing which
All
I did
right.
for 2
Taken.
million.
Point taken. Now there's this question that has come up from the comments. Says, do you like to drink coffee?
Sometimes, not often, but sometimes,
No.
yes.
Okay, so we've answered the question that sometimes. Actually, you've remixed a lot of songs, I've heard.
Yes.
So
So there,
which is the artist that you loved remixing and you felt कि यार ये ना गाना ते remix करके it's bomb.
जिन्ने भी गाने में remix किते ने या जो भी किते ने, those were the numbers, those were trending. Yeah, there were 70s the song which were still in public's heart. So
One of your favorites
intentionally,
out of those.
one of the favorite was Mast Kalandar, which was for Mika Singh and Yo-Yo Honey Singh. So that was the most viewed song, most viewed remix of mine. And there was one more that is Sukhbir ka Ishq Tera Tarpawe. Still 80 or 70% of DJs play that remix of mine because
Yeah.
that was the only remix.
Achha, so I mean, when you released your song, were there any copyright issues coming your way as a remix artist?
See, when I did the remixes and I released, there were no such copyright claims on it. But yes, you can't monetize the song; you have no income from them. So, but obviously,
Right.
the label goes to the income goes to the label. But nowadays, since 2000 December 2019, YouTube has started putting copyright claims on the remixes as well. So when
Right.
you upload a remix on YouTube, you have to either need a NOC from the label or the singer,
Yes.
or you have to pitch down the song and then you can upload it. अगर तुसी pitch कर दो गाना थोड़ा fast हो जाता, then they can't catch it.
Achha, okay. Now
So over
that's
time,
achha,
yeah,
that's
that's a hidden thing.
hidden for all those people who are remixing. थोड़ी speed बता दो गाने दी है.
हाँ,
ना?
या तो बता दो या कटा दो, so notice च नहीं होता. Because they
So
don't do it manually, na. It's a software doing it.
Yeah, right. Achha, there was one of your posts which read "Dream big, live big," right? You shared a picture. So what is the relevance of this quote in your life?
See, for me, if I think कि, me belonging from a middle class family or anyone there. So what the thing is, or the family mentality ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਉਨੀ ਹੈਸੀਅਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਆ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਉਹ ਗਾਣੇ ਕੱਢਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸਿੰਗਰ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪੈਸੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਠੀਕ ਆ, but every singer is not from a big house. Everyone is not born with a golden spoon. If I talk about Sidhu Moosewala, he was not born with a golden spoon. He is what he is now. So until and unless you don't dream big and you don't think about it and you are not focused on it कि मैं आज चीज करनी करनी है, you can't do it, no matter how much you work hard for it. But once you are focused on it and you start working hard, you can live that dream as well.
So what is your dream life, Guru? If I ask you, who do you idolize? What do you foresee for yourself? What do you want to achieve in life?
See, I just want to achieve I don't want that too much of stardom and too much of things, but I have to be on my own legs so that if there is any financial crisis or anything that I can face easily, I don't have to beg it for someone or spread my hands somewhere for it. वो कोई stardom वाला dream नहीं है.
As an artist, are you financially stable at the moment?
See, this is a startup as a singer. So I have not earned anything as a singer till now.
Okay.
Because मेरा पहला गाना आया, my plans were like कि 2-3 गाने कटांगा, I'll start doing shows. But this year I don't think so there will be any shows because of the current situation.
But as
So,
a DJ, you have been performing a lot of shows, right?
Yeah, as a DJ I have earned more than enough. But again, वो जितना कमाया वो नाल दी नाल खर्चा भी हो गया. This field is like on screen we have a different face and off screen we have a different face.
Right.
People
So do you mean to say that it's very
say,
fake entertainment world? Do you have to comment on that?
Not very much fake, but still fake. People start commenting कि यार so and so celebrity नाल मैं photo खिंचान गया and he pushed away and he ignored or he's not checking out my post or whatever it is. See, people counting celebrities, they get thousands of DMs every day.
Right.
And if you think यार that celebrity showed us attitude, उन्हें picture नहीं खिंचाई, you never know the mind state उस वक्त किसी का. He can be sad, he can go through some personal problems. Everyone has a personal problem in his life.
Right.
So there are on screen, but I can't show now on screen. I'm sitting with you. I can't say कि यार मेरे घर यहाँ problem है, yeah I have that point. The moment I close the live, I have thousands of problems with me, which I have to solve.
Right.
So yeah, you can say we have to be fake.
Right. So tell me about your family, Guru. Who all are there in your family?
My mom, dad, and my 2 sisters. One is married, and the another one stays abroad.
Okay, so is yours a business family or you're serving somebody?
Yeah, my dad has a real estate business.
Great. Okay, fine. Achha, tell me something. When you started off as a DJ, there's this perception about Sardar boys, and there's this perception about people who have this.
I have faced a lot.
Personality. So, have you faced that thing?
Too much.
Tell me about it. Tell me about the perception.
So that was basically, when I started in the initial stage. So my family weren't that supportive in DJing. They were like, "Yaar, night wala kam apne vasda nahi aa club wala." So basically the family is, proper Gursikh family. I am complete non-alcoholic. My dad, mom, no one.
Right.
So they were against it, but still when I started doing good, this supported a lot. But in the clubs, you go and the club owners or the crowd has a mentality कि यार ये पंजाबी गाना ही बजाएगा, ये क्या करेगा, ये वो क्या करेगा. So that things we had to face too much.
Yeah. So how did
it
you?
was
How did
basically,
you
I had to face people. Ignorance is the best thing when you can't handle anything. Start ignoring people.
And how did it change? I mean, see, there's a lot of change in perception now, Turban boys, Sardar boys, Sikh boys are now perceived in a very different manner. So have you seen the change? Have you felt the change?
Yeah, the change is there, but still as a DJ, if you tell me in DJing industry, there are too many Sardar boys, getting into DJing and all. Both countries. And even now, people feel shy to carry the turban and all. I don't know why.
So who's your favorite DJ?
In Bollywood, if you talk in male, there is Lemon or Akhtar.
Okay.
And if you talk about female, so my very close friend DJ Rank, she has been awarded as a #1 DJ of India.
Okay, great. Okay. Achha, tell me about the worst rumor that you heard about yourself.
बहुत ने,
जितना कि
बहुत
because
ज्यादा ने, मैं
when you
इत्थों
like
पाना इत्थों
your
काट देना.
pictures, you know, people filter out, people question the good things about you and they believe the bad things about you. So
What
that's
did,
what
I'll
I'm.
tell you, not about me, not about me, if on of about everyone. You know, if you do something, people will, talk 10 good things about you and 100 bad.
Right.
No one can see you happy.
Hmm.
No one can see you happy. They are like, यार, why is he doing this? Why can't I?
Hmm.
So बोलने वाले तो बहुत ने, कई चीजें सुनन आउंदियां ने. I put it from here and take it off from here. I know what I'm doing and I know what I can do. Till the time I'm going good, मेरी किस्मत चंगी चल रही है, जब तक रब साथ दे रहा करांगे.
So Guru, I mean, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ relatives नहीं बोल रहे हाय हाय ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ stuff like that?
This was the biggest task. You were telling me ना कि crowd बोलते ने पंजाबियां च ना आही सब तो गंदी चीज है, रिश्तेदार मार
I
दिंदे ने.
know. Right.
So my
Right.
मतलब ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ ਗੱਲ. They used to come and tell my mom ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਕਰਾਉਣਾ ਹਲੇ, ਕੀ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਭਰਾ ਡੀਜੇ ਵਜਾਉਂਦਾ, ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਆ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਕਰਦਾ. So ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਫੇਸ ਹੋਇਆ cause of relatives. I had to, DJing ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਛੱਡਣੀ ਸੀ cause family didn't support it a lot and relatives ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ. But since I have released my song, so those are the ones calling my mom and dad ਕਿ ਗਾਣਾ ਸੁਣਿਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਉਹ ਲੱਗਿਆ.
So did that happen with you ਕਿ ਘਰੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜ ਦਿਓ ਡੀਜੇ ਡੂਜੇ ਵਜਾਉਣਾ?
many times recently ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. recently ਇਦਾਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ one of my relative who had literally pissed off my family ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗਾ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਚ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ, ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਪਾਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਆਹ ਕਰਤਾ, ਉਹ ਕਰਤਾ. Few months back he had his daughter's marriage, my cousin's marriage, and they called me up कि तू डीजे वजा ला. मैं छੱਡਤਾ, मैं तो करदा ही नहीं, ਮੈਨੂੰ 2 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ. So they were like, चल कोई और reference से number दे दे. So one of my close friend, kind of brother, he's into DJing now.
Okay.
So I gave his number. So I was like, I'm not doing, but I can give you his number. So then I said, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਫੋਨ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਨਾ, ਮੈਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਡੈਡ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ, ਮੈਂ ਆਹੀ ਲੋਕ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਡੀਜਿੰਗ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਔਰ ਆਹੀ ਲੋਕ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਾ ਤੇ ਡੀਜੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡੀਜਿੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਨਫ਼ਰਤ ਹੈ, then why do you keep DJ at your place?
Right. So didn't that thing come later on कि पैसे पैसे क्यों ले रहे हो?
मैं
चूतिए
ब्याह
मेरे पुत्र हो गए.
मैं ਵਿਆਹ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ. ਲੱकीली ਮੇਰਾ ਸ਼ੂਟ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੁਬਈ. ਮੈਂ ਵਿਆਹ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ.
So, oh, great.
Okay,
so that was.
Deep Money has joined the man behind Dope Shop, so he's here. Saji Sat Shri
Hello,
Akal.
Shikal ji. Okay, so here another thing that I want to ask you is, how's your lockdown been? I mean, kare kam kita, kuch nawa sikhya? Did you spend time with your family?
Family ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਪੂਰਾ time spend ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, but mom, dad and me, we three are here, so we are chilling out. And ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ. ਮੈਂ cooking ਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਨਵਾਂ try ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਪਿਆ, ਜੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਆ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਦੀ. So I've started doing that. Then I have made 2 covers. So those are basically 30-40 seconds the cover. So on Thursday I have my birthday, so a cover I'll upload on my birthday.
Oh, great. So what kind of covers are these? I mean, Hindi songs, Punjabi songs?
So there are 2 covers. One is a song Narazgi by Soni Pabla.
Okay.
That is, and the another one, Hanji. And the another one is a Hindi. Okay, so I'll do. So it's ਸੋਹਣਿਓ ਨਾਰਾਜ਼ਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਹੋ ਗੱਲ ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਇੱਕ ਕਹਿ ਦਿਆਂ ਹਾਂ, ਤੋੜ ਮੋੜ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਸੁੱਟੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਗਲ ਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਗਾਨੀ ਲੈ ਦਿਆਂ ਹਾਂ, ਹੋ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲੋਂ ਨੀ ਵੀ ਪਾਈ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਸੋਹਣਿਓ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੱਸਦੇ, ਹੋ ਮੱਥੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਲੱਟ ਉੜ ਚੱਕਦੇ, ਹੋ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਡਰਾਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਖਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਹਾਂ. So, and the another one I did is Manjha by Vishal Mishra.
Okay, sing
So
that
that's a
one.
Hindi song. ये मांझा तेरा ये दिल की पतंग को काटे, हाय तुझी से कटके ये गिरे तेरी छत पे आके, हाय है मांझा तेरा ये.
Great. Okay, so you also program songs, right? And
Yes.
you obviously must be aware of the fact that a lot of singers these days are totally dependent on technicalities and they're not
Correct.
trained and all. So does it somehow surprise you कि किसी बंदे की आवाज कितनी change हो सकती है programming the rich? And what
Not
is your take on today's singers on this?
Not at all. See, today's date if you count, तो कोई भी audience या कोई भी DJ या anyone, they don't judge you on your voice.
Hmm.
They judge on what kind of song you have brought. What is the content?
Right.
Now you tell me
Hmm.
personally, in current situation, you'll support Sonu Nigam or Sidhu Moosewala?
है
Sonu Nigam या Sidhu Moosewala? What you'll select?
सिद्धू मूसे वाला यार.
Fair. But Sonu Nigam is the one singer who has melody, who has not used auto tune till date.
Yeah.
So melody and auto tune वाला फंडा मेरे ख्याल से ना, मतलब जितने भी melody singer ने, अरिजीत सिंह, आतिफ असलम, सोनू निगम, they are not there in the market. But melody is, you know, there forever.
Because
But these
melody is
singers to this,
chocolatey.
so these singers, I count myself also. We have a life of 5 years, 6 years. That's it. But melody is there for ever. We still listen to Kumar Sanu. We still listen to
Right.
R.D. Burman.
Right.
But I
And
don't think so.
I
My
mean,
children will.
a lot
I
of
don't
their
think.
songs are
Correct.
remixed as well.
Correct. And I don't think so. My children are going to listen to Sidhu Moosewala or me myself.
क्यों?
यार इन्ना टाइम नहीं चलांगे ना ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ melody नहीं create ਕੀਤੀ. We are
Hey, Sidhu
creating.
Moosewala says I'm a legend.
He is a legend. He has changed the industry. You know, Sidhu Moosewala ਨੂੰ 3 ਸਾਲ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ industry 'ਚ. On this 5th July, he's going to complete his 3 years.
Are you keeping
So
a
High
track
was
of that?
So High was released on 5th July 2017.
Wow. Okay.
You have to keep a track. You have to keep a track when you are in the market.
हाँ है ना? Very nice.
So he has
So
changed
how
the
many more
industry in 3
years
years.
do you want to keep a track of yourself? Why are you keeping track of the others?
I don't know. जब तक, you know, you never know about your life. I don't know I am there tomorrow or no. But till the date I am, I'll do the best. जब तक मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं, I'll do my best. I can't say कि मैं 3 साल करांगा, मैं 5 साल करांगा. But yes, I have one inspiration to whom I'll follow. ਜਦੋਂ मैं DJ नहीं ਸੀ, मैं ਉਦੋਂ ਵੀ follow ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਮੈਂ ਮਰਦੇ ਦਮ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ follow ਕਰਾਂਗਾ, and I have a respect for him.
Who?
Honey Singh.
Honey Singh.
Yes.
I like him too.
He is a history
Have you
creator.
ever come across?
Yeah, I
Have
have
you come
met him
across
twice. Yes.
Okay.
So I am
So
still in
what
personal
is the
touch with him.
association professional?
See, professionally, work-wise ना कुछ भी हले मेरा उन्ना नाल plan नहीं है, ना ही कभी discuss होया, to be honest. But as a friend zone, as a brother zone, as a elder brother, he treats me good. We speak to each other. But the thing is, you know, I met him first time in Meet Brothers only.
Okay.
So he is the one who creates history. जे आज कोई पंजाबी singer mainstream गम कर रहा, be it anyone, that's all because of Honey Singh.
Why do you say
जे
that?
everyone says that, not only me.
Okay.
In 2007 or in 2006, did you ever heard Punjabi songs on such big mainstream or Punjabi movies?
No. Yes.
When Honey
That's-
Singh
that's
started, when Honey Singh Honey Singh got into this industry, everyone starts stepping up. So he
Right.
has changed the whole face of Punjabi music industry.
True.
And
Yes.
what the music he creates today, I or anyone can't even think about it in next 3 years. Because he creates something very different and very much catchy. If you listen to Honey Singh song for the first time, you'll be like, yeah, theek hai. But second,
Right.
third time on repeat, you start playing it.
True. Which is the latest song of him that you heard?
Moscow Suka.
Did you like it?
Yes, it has a different vibe. It has a vibe which he created 3 years back in the song Raj Jashandi with Jasmine Sanders.
Right. Right. So fine. Give me one of your favorite songs that you've been humming a lot these days. Except for the covers and all, your song and all.
So there's a I don't know why the Sony Pavla's Narazgi is my ever favorite. So I listen to that, and then there's Prem Tilon song Jat Hundeya. Jat Hundeya ni kude Jat Hundeya. That is the song which I'm listening a lot these days. And if I count about Hindi song, so then there is this Manjha and Kabir Singh ke all of the songs.
Okay. All right. So thanks a lot, Guru. I
Thank
hope we didn't
you.
miss out on anything. If we have, you can let me know. Did we miss out on anything?
I don't think so. I have shared
No, I
my
think I
past, and
हाँ, present, future इसी सारे बारे गल कर रही है ना?
it's just I'll be dropping a small gift for all my fans out there day after on my Instagram. That's a cover.
और ये birthday है ना?
Let's see.
Advance के लिए happy birthday to you है जी साढ़े वालों.
Thank you. And this is the first cover ever which is, recorded on my phone itself.
Really? And who did the music for this?
G Skills. So it's
Okay,
basically
just a
not too much loud. It just has a MIDI behind, a piano MIDI, and I have recorded the vocals on my phone because I didn't have studio equipment here at my home, so I did it on my phone itself.
So you did it from your phone. I mean, करे बैठ के गड्डी बैठ के where did you record?
करे बैठ के मेरे बेडरूम से रिकॉर्ड हुआ है.
Nice. So I would definitely check out the feel of that song.
Thank you very much.
So thanks a lot, Guru, for talking to us.
Thank
It was
you.
a pleasure having you on Candy Sir.
Thank you for getting me here. Thank you. Bye everyone. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Stay home. Stay
Bye.
safe, and you too take care of yourself.
Thank you, Guru. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
So that was Guru Kohli for you guys, and that was quite a chit chat we had with him. And he's a DJ turned singer. And ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੂਬਰੂ ਕਰੀਏ. ਐਂਡ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਆਇਆ ਆਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲੀ, ਇਟਸ ਕਾਲਡ ਲੌਂਗ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੁਣੋ. ਇਟਸ देयर ਔਨ टी सीरीज YouTube channel. And let's hope we have a lot of such artists coming our way who we are talking to for the first time. ਮੈਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਲ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ.